So we got some little cloths. So last time, I don't know if you remember, we got some like square cloths. So these are just some different ones again. And you pop them in the washing machine. So I'll show you them as we open and use them. We got some straws, so some stainless steel straws. Tricky this one. So there's all different sizes. So they're really cool, and they come with the little straw cleaners too. So different sizes there. And then we got some like bags to put food in, which are washable. So instead of like using Snap-Lock bags, and these are my favourite ones. These go over, instead of using Glad wrap, they're all stuck together, but these go over like